Namaskaram Natukare. Today, we're making my version of Manjaly Chicken Biriyani. Marinate your chicken. Toss it into the air fryer. While that's cooking, let's whip up the gravy. Heat coconut oil. Add onions, salt, and saute. Throw in a ginger garlic green chili mix. Stir until fragrant. Then add tomatoes. Then put in some biryani spices. Then add chicken masala, garam masala, chili powder, curcuma, coriander. Let them sizzle. Put in the juicy chicken. Stir. Add yogurt. Add water and let it cook until thick and juicy. Coriander to bring some colors. For the rice, heat ghee and oil. Add biryani spices. Then water, 1.5 cups per cup of rice. A splash of that gravy and lemon juice for extra flavor. Add rinsed basmati rice. Cook on high until bubbly. Then low for 8-10 minutes. Rice is done, not so hard. Now layer that aromatic rice over the chicken. No mixing. Garnish with fried onions, cashews, raisins, and fresh coriander. And there you have it, Manjaly Chicken Biryani. Enjoy, Manjaly.